all you. So.
Oh, boy.
All right, our
Alrighty.
customer coming in to check out his
Oh, my
2008.
goodness.
Yes, that's what we love to hear. I knew you was going to be
Wow.
happy with that one. I had to say the same thing.
Wow.
I said in the video, I was like,
That's
sometimes
so
we
good.
impress ourselves.
It's like a brand new car.
Yes,
Oh, my goodness.
yes.
Wow. My goodness. Dude, that's awesome. I
Oh,
love it.
thank you.
That's super nice.
It did. This turned
I
out
remember When we first
beautiful.
dropped it off, all the like water spots and everything.
Yes.
Fucker is clean.
I know. I came back and was like, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
he's going to be happy.
Oh, you guys tint the back too?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep. He
nice.
was
That
able to
looks-
do that.
That looks good. That looks awesome.
So glad you're happy because, I mean,
Yeah.
this just turned out beautiful.
Oh, that's
Every
awesome.
now and then I just see one and like, okay, he's going to be happy. Take your time. No rush.
I gotta get the wheels fixed up now.
Yep.
Stick out.
And so since your bumper wasn't on the pattern, because this is an older vehicle, unlike, was that Michael that referred you?
Yep.
We had to do a custom for you. So everything
For
is
this?
custom. Yep.
Oh, wow.
So less seams because I think in his, he has about 3 or 4 seams.
Gotcha.
So didn't charge you for it, but yep, you got a whole custom bumper.
Nice. Oh, thank you very much.
You're
That's great.
welcome. Okay. I'll go over, take your time. I know, right? Take your time and then I'll go over how easy it's going to be to maintain, okay?
Cool.